Paano mo pinapakita pagmamahal mo?
Physical touch.
Sample ng physical touch.
Ganun.
Anong pangalan mo, taga saan ka?
Jason,
Jason from?
Espanya.
Narinig ko yung mga taga-Espanya, lover boy sila.
Hopeless romantic siguro.
Kailan yung last situation na naging hopeless romantic ka?
Siguro this year. Wala, hindi nag-work. Kailangan niyang pumunta sa ibang bansa. Pero okay naman. After that, okay yung breakup namin.
What do you think about long-distance relationships?
It could work, but it's a two-way street. It takes two to tango. Kasi mahirap naman kung isa lang yung lumalaban.
Oh? Na-experience mo na ba yun? Ikaw lang lumalaban?
Tinagay ko lumaban, pero hindi naman ako nilaban.
Paglalabanan ka na.
Sige.
Hoy, ba't ka lumalapit?
Laban tayo. Tara. What is the secret for a long-lasting, long-term relationship?
Compromise and understanding. Kasi sabi nila, communication is the key, di ba? It's all about reciprocation. Making your partner feel